Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and one of the things I like about Automator4Act is the fact that it simplifies some tasks that you might do every day. So for example, using this to do a 1-week follow-up or a quick call history or even a note, very easy to do. But as I was looking at this and started going through the tutorials and thinking about it, I said, wait a minute, this looks rather drab. And at first I thought, well, let me just show people how to put a border around it and change a subtle color. So let me show you how to do that. But then as I started thinking about that, it sort of morphed into something more than that. So I clicked on Tools, Layout, Contact, and here is my quick action tool from Automator4Act. Now, if I come up to my toolbar, right here, this little item here is a border. And I can do a 3D border or just a single one. I'm just going to do a single border. But then I started looking around and thinking about it. I said, well, how about a color? Let me put some color in the background. So if I come down to the left just a little bit, I can click and create a background color. Now I'm going to go some extremes here just to illustrate the point. So now I've put a pretty, I don't know, green background color, somewhat hideous. But then I started looking at some of the other things and I'm like, what else can I do here? Well, maybe I can change the color of the font. So maybe instead of having that color, just a black color, maybe I can do something else like an orange color. And what do you know? I did an orange color. Now that doesn't show up real good, so let me take a light orange. But then I said, wait a minute, maybe I can make the type size bigger to make it easier on the eyes. Let me go up to 18 and see what happens. And things sort of disappeared. But I realized that what happened is it just got so big that I just need to drag this down. And now all of a sudden, we've got this huge box here with all this data. And I'm like, wow, look at this. And honestly, I sort of discovered this accidentally as I was getting to record this video. So now all of a sudden, I've got something huge there. Wait a minute, what if I don't like that font? Maybe I just don't like that type style. Maybe I'll choose something else. How about Times New Roman? Nah, that doesn't really cut it for me, but maybe something else. Let's do this one, just see what it looks like. Yeah, that doesn't really cut it for me either. Let me go down to Wide Latin. Oh, beautiful. Now that's not going to work. So again, you can just sort of go through this and work on whatever you want. I'm just going to do Verdana, make this much bigger. And now for our tired old eyes, we have something that we can work with very easily with an Act. I'm going to go up and go File, Save As, and I'm going to give this a name of Automator4Act, but I'm going to do 3. I'm just going to put a 3 at the end of it so I don't mess up my previous ones. I'm going to go Save. I'm going to close this. So again, I just did a Save As, and you'll notice in my layouts here, now one of the layouts is 3. I'm going to choose that, and wow, I've made something huge and big. Now I have a lot of space here to put information into. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. I hope this tutorial was helpful and maybe gave you some insights into things we could do. Have a great day. Bye now.